Hi, I'm Ria Malloy with the University of Maryland Extension's Home and Garden Information Center. Gardeners love to give and receive presents, gardening type presents for the holidays or for any days, for any type of holiday. And this is a Rosemary Topiary that is a great gift for gardeners and non-gardeners alike. But before you even take it off the shelf and purchase it, one thing you need to do is look at these. This one in particular has got some things going on here that might make you not want to buy this in the first place. And let me show you what I'm talking about. I can see some browning of the branches here, and some as I look around, there's some other things going wrong with it, some wilting that doesn't look very good. And I would think it would be dry, but when I pick it up, it's pretty darn heavy. So even when you're in the store, it's okay to do this. First thing you're going to do is take it out of the container. It might not come out easily, and if you get some people looking at you, that's okay. First thing I'm going to look at is to see if there's water in the container, and there is. There's sitting water in here. That tells me that somebody watered this plant, and because they saw it was already dry, but it was probably too late to be watering it for this to survive. It's also had some roots coming out of the holes here, and that's a problem. The next thing I'm going to do is take it all the way out of this container. And what you want to see are not black roots. You want to see some roots in here that are white. And if I break this apart enough, I might find some white roots. Some of these roots look like they might survive, but you've got some girdling roots here too. This is an older plant, so, and as you can see, it's been growing for a while, but I'm not sure that this one's even going to make it until Christmas, let alone survive at home after Christmas.